let's see what we can eat. Wait, where's the food? How about the kitchen? No, nothing? Seriously? Hey, where's my food? Well, now I can't eat anything. Unless... Oh, I know what to make. Let's make a crêpe. Okay, guys, don't be astonished that it doesn't look too good at the end, because this is one of my first times making a crêpe. One of the reasons why I decided to make it is because, one, I have a friend whose channel you should go check out that recommended it, and two, it is actually a pretty interesting food, and it's similar to pancakes. So if I can make pancakes, why not crepes? I know they are two different things. Please don't judge me in the comments. First, you're gonna need some milk. Then you're gonna need 2 eggs, large size, and then you're gonna need a bag of flour, about a cup, chocolate syrup or whatever dressing, and then of course eat the banana. Don't do it. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna crack 1 egg. Sorry if it's a bit blurry. Yeah, Samsung camera resolution isn't so good. Don't worry, it'll change. Alright, and do it again. And we're gonna crack a 2nd egg. Large eggs. Okay, and now you whisk it. Yeah, this is a common thing now, you should know it. Whisk the eggs. Alright, now I grab some flour, 1 cup of flour, and yeah, I'm struggling to try to get it in. And now, should be able to, and drop it. The next part is, you're now going to want to sift it. And by sifting it, you put a sifter over the bowl, and you pour the flour on the sifter, and then keep on banging it lightly. Now, you add 1 cup of milk, organic milk, or whatever. Now you dump it into our flour mixture. And now dump our egg mixture. And now we slice up bananas. Yeah, slice up 1 whole banana and dump it into the mixture as well. And now it's mixing time. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm saying a lot of mixing here. Wow, that's a lot of mixing. Okay, you know what? Okay. Yep. Increase it to regular until it is hot enough, and then increase it to 3 or low. And now add that oil. Add that oil. Spread it all around. Make sure you actually spread it all around. And now you take 1 big scoop, whatever these giant spoons are, of our mixture, and then pour it onto the pan. And let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then, once you pour it, you have to tilt it so it's flat, like a crepe. And then, after 3 or 4 minutes, flip it over. And now do the same thing again. Now it's back. And then, put this thing onto that big plate over there. And now you spread your toppings onto it. I spread Nutella. Please don't use as much as me, because that was really sweet once I tried to taste it. And now it should be spreading right now. And then you fold it into 8. Okay, you fold it 8 times. And now it really looks like a classic crepe. And now I add my chocolate syrup, and look at that, so mesmerizing. What do I do next, Dylan? So then I basically sprout some whipped cream on it, and I overdo it a lot. My thoughts on this? Well, one, this was new, yet I mastered it, probably because I know about pancakes, and it does look very good. Yeah. I thought I would cook it a little bit earlier, but guess not. Now let's try a bit. Of course, this is extremely sweet. It tastes really good, and I like the sweet flavor. And of course, this has strong banana flavor, which is why I love it. Now, you better go subscribe now, and to my friend who recommended this. Thanks, because this actually tastes good. And, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. And please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers, because this channel was almost dead.